Cryptocurrencies right now are being controlled by one thing. They're not able to pump and enter into a crazy bull run because of this one thing that I need to share with you in this video. So we're going to be talking about this. The crypto market actually bounced up today, quite surprising. And we're going to be talking about that and much more. There's a couple of things. There's a major event taking place this coming Wednesday. So we're going to be talking about that as well. So make sure you guys stay into the very end. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments below, are you thinking the crypto market is going to go up this week, or is it going to continue to crash and go down? So getting straight into the video, let me show you what's happening on the charts for cryptocurrencies. What we can see here is cryptocurrencies are green all across the board. This is very beautiful. And specifically, SHIBA INU is up the most, almost 4% today. We have Dogecoin up almost 2%. Cryptocurrencies are looking very good. And let's just go ahead and take a look at the charts here. Let's see what's happening. So what we can see here is that Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies had crashed significantly this morning, but we ended up bouncing up. We are getting a little bit of a bounce. Is this bounce going to last, or are we going to just continue going back down? That is surely the question that none of us have the answer on, but we will see over the next few hours if we can continue to move up. This might be an indication that the crypto market is going to be going up further this week. Now, keep watching until the very end because I have to share with you that information, what cryptos are dependent on right now. But we have Wednesday. The Fed is going to be raising interest rates. And depending on how much interest rates they raise, whether it's 75 basis points or 100 basis points, which will be 1% will determine the trajectory of the crypto market and the stock market for the next several months. If the Fed raises interest rates, which they were expected to at 75 basis points, honestly, it's terrible news. It's very bad for the country when the Fed continues to raise interest rates because it's killing the stock market, which kills the cryptocurrency market as well. Because of last week's data, the CPI showing inflation was not coming down as much as people wanted to. They are thinking that the Fed is going to, because inflation is so high, to raise interest rates 100 basis points for this session. So if that happens, that will probably crash the crypto market. But what's very interesting, in the times that it seems that crypto should crash and go down, where this news is coming out, we know it's going to be bad, we know it's going to crash cryptos, those are usually the times that we will see cryptos bounce up. It's absolutely crazy, but that's how the market works. That's how these whales are playing the market. It's all pure manipulation at this point, but I need to share with you what cryptos are dependent upon right now, and please give this video a thumbs up if you've gotten something so far. So this is that article that I need to share with you. It says, meanwhile, the Fed's aggressive stance means investors should be prepared for what may be a few more daily stabs downward. That could eventually prove to be a final big flush. Also, this may sound odd, but if that happens swiftly, meaning within the next couple of months, that actually becomes the bull case in my view. It could be a quick and painful drop resulting in a renewed move higher later in the year that's more durable as inflation falls more notably. So what we can see here is there is more pain ahead. That's what the Fed is saying. They're going to have to raise interest rates, causing more pain. So raising interest rates, and what they're doing right now is probably going to crash the market a lot further. But here very soon, they're going to be getting to a point where they're going to have to stop raising rates. And once we can figure out when that is, and we start getting some type of an idea when that's going to take place, and that will happen when inflation starts coming down, that's when the market is going to become very, very bullish. That's when the market is going to enter into a bull run. That's why we've seen cryptocurrencies. Just about a month ago, they peaked out really big, right? Ethereum pumped in 2000. We had SHIBA pumping. We had Bitcoin pumping. Everything was pumping very hard. And that was happening because investors and people were thinking that the Fed was not going to be raising interest rates, that inflation was coming down, because we had CPI showing inflation is rapidly coming down. But that's not the case right now. So that is what is going to be determining when cryptos are going to be going up or down, and when the bull run is going to be starting. And that's most likely going to be taking place here in the next couple of months, most likely. Let me know if you think it's going to be taking place in the next couple of months. But currently, right now, cryptos are going to be very volatile. We can crash further on Wednesday. We have all this crazy FUD. So make sure you guys stay updated with these videos. I'm going to be giving you guys constant updates by subscribing with notifications on. And if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trading community in the world, where we are selling before crashes, we are buying dips, we are making small plays, even when the market is terribly bearish like this, we're making money. If you want to get access to that, join the Patreon, especially tier 3, where you have access to all the alerts and to be a part of the whale trading group. Highly recommended. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all later.